Hi, it's Emily from WTI, calling all influencers, social media creators, and video content creators as well. I don't think you can go another day without one of these selfie sticks from KraftGeek. This is so much more than just a selfie stick. This is also a tripod with a Bluetooth remote. It even has a screw top so that you can add a light, GoPro, or other mount. This selfie stick is a premium travel companion. I think it's a must-have for all video creators. As a video content creator myself, I appreciate the portability of this tripod so much. This allows me to use my camera in either horizontal or vertical positions. It can extend up to 33 inches, and the remote is Bluetooth, allowing you to be hands-free, capturing pictures and video from up to 33 feet away, and you don't need to download any apps. This is your perfect companion for vlogging or any kind of video content creation. I recently used it on a trip to Alaska, and it was so easy to pack in my bags and take with me. I was able to capture beautiful scenery and put myself in the video content with this extendable tripod. It also works great as a selfie stick, so I was able to easily capture group photos of my entire extended family with this multi-purpose tool from KraftGeek. I love that it is super simple to use, but it's effective and gets the job done. I take this everywhere with me now. I think you're going to love it too, but that's my point of view.